Now today, Kakagate is connected onto the national grid, meaning they are going to power 24/7.
Obwabire natongoza amashanyarazi muri Kakagate, Honorable Minister Okasai Oporot or State Minister w'amashanyarazi ashabira abantu ba Kakagate omuri Sanga Kiruhura kukume ibintu bya government nke byabo.
Now the contractor has handed the line to me. I'm now handing the line to you. The ministry will not miss water. In case there is vandalism on the line, it is you who are going to miss water. The ministry will not miss education of children. It is your children who will miss education if the line is vandalized. When your business fails because vandalism has taken place, it is not government or the ministry missing. Protect this line jealously as you are lying.
Oriyo munyishengero wa Nyabushozi Honorable Wilson Karenge hamwe no munyishengero mucyara wa district ya Kiruhura Honorable Jovanse Rwenduru bashoborire ngubwa nyuma yo connectinga amashanyarazi ga Kakagate ahagihanga ryona imyanya yihingurize Kicwekeki hamwe n'amashomero amaka hamwe n'amarwaro nagaza kutunga mizi marungi aho kugira ngo amashanyarazi go gapampinga gashyikireho.
So important because this is first and foremost a water project, but that was not helping people because it lacked power, it lacked energy to power it further. We are rationing water. Now today, Kakagate is connected onto the national grid, meaning they are going to power 24/7. They are going to reach out to many people, and we think scarcity of water is now going to be over.
Habe kwentasia yo maka tongera hamutindo natwure pari addition ahabo kuba ejo niyo ntunguka
aba bongire basima bobona abahire yitaka ryabo kuta projects za government negenderwa cyo kutungura ebyaro byabo.
Nyenda kusima abantu bakakagate abayakira project kandi okukirana nimbasima habo kuba umwanya guno bo baguhereza ubwo mwanya ka wabantu bakakagate omwaka gw'2011 ngwe no kureba project negendo mu maisho abantu aba kikakiye cyetengo cyabo abo kwa tokutanisa development n'amashanyarazi wagamba hantunguka no gamba amashanyarazi no gamba hamezi
ntukitunga amashanyarazi gebe yayiguru kandi itwe tutari abo abayibu nangwa no kugashaba twabantu enda ngo bagatomajwe geitu abe bitugana bonho bari kutahira mu kutuyiba when shabango government because Honorable Minister you are here, let connection to people's homes, extension of power to those who need and are willing to pay. Let it be so easy.
Banyuma yo kurura umuranga gw'abantu ebiro 27 kwezi ko kubanza 2022 umunyishengero wa Nyabushozi Honorable Wilson Karenge akahandikire kitongore cya energy kukigezaho kuhereza emyanyere Musanga Town Council Sanga Sub County akayanja hamwe n'emyanyere hehi kubahereza amashanyarazi ekizire kikashyira kandi amashanyarazi aga erizo bagatongozubwa ari Kagate umuri Sanga Town Council habwa Sky TV ya Genshonga ndi Job Kato omuri Kiruhura
omakura gandi ha Genshonga